So today's the day. Now we head off for the Capri's first proper big show. Now looking forward to it. If it makes it there, it's going to be a lot of talking because this engine is definitely a talking point. But we have some not happy diff issues. Now I'm hoping it doesn't explode. If it gets me there, part way back, I'm fine with that. Just want to get there. That's the main thing. So diff's a bit questionable. Fuel, no idea what I got, so I best pick up some on the way. Yeah, I'll bring you guys on for the ride. Let's hope we can actually get there. Alright, so we got a bit of fuel. Let's try and get to a show then. This is the first bit of point of view footage ever recorded, I think, in this car. There wasn't a camera hanging from my mouth. So I just had to get E10 fuel because the tanker was in. Oh, great. And blocking the pump with E5, which was handy. We're doing 30 in a 60 zone. Classic Ball Club. Cars everywhere.
Muscle building. Turn the 40 feet back up.
Best be impressed. There is a Twingo here next to a Capri. That's... oh, next to an Escort. So that is now the show finished. Incredible as always. So massive turnout. I don't know how many cars were there, but it was a ridiculous amount. All sorts. Now I didn't really get any footage of the show. You'll find that online anyway. So, and sort of thank you to all the guys that came up to me. So there was a ridiculous amount of you who recognised this car from the YouTube build series and the build video. So thank you for that. It's been a great day. Now, can we get it home, and can I get you guys a few little point of view driving shots for this one? We will see. I do love this car though. damn, what a day that has been. What an absolute weapon. Car, faultless. Perfect. Show, fantastic. Now, the reactions I got to the car in general were insane. I know there's some people at the show that didn't like it, which is good. But overall, I met quite a few guys actually that followed this sort of build on my channel, so thank you for that. Some of you might be watching now, to be honest. And yeah, it's been a fantastic day. Car was absolutely loved. I've almost lost my voice because I just couldn't stop talking. Huge show, well over 1,000 cars. Not many cars that were sort of, other than being at hot rods or track cars, that had any kind of custom engine swaps. There was hardly anything that was factory. It had a different engine, so mine was quite a different one there, to be honest. And it got an awful lot of attention, so thank you for that. Yeah, nothing exciting. Obviously, plenty of future plans for us now. The transmission is starting to feel a bit upset. The rear diff, we know, is whining, so we are definitely going to need some drivetrain upgrades on this in the near future. But I guess for as long as it works, I'm going to keep on using it for now, because it's too damn fun. The weather is beautiful. What's not to like? So yeah, thank you for watching again. It's been a bit of a short, little boring one, but it's what it is. I've had a good day anyway. Now that's actually the first show I've been to, proper show in a long time, which was just nice to do. So very happy with that. Now I best go do some office work. Joys. Yeah, thank you for watching. I've been Jordan, and obviously if you haven't already, there's the entire build series, even the build movie on the channel. Why not jump back, follow it, give it a like, drop me a comment, subscribe for more. I've been Jordan, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.